Gahi kagulo.
Oo.
Yan. Okay.
Oh.
Buntag mga besh, mga bay. Sige.
Sige, mamuntag sa nitran. Karon na kami diri sa Batangas, mag-wakeboard kami. O kauban na makaron among driver gikan sa Tagaytay.
Yeah.
So first time niya mo sulay og
I'm ready to
wakeboarding.
die.
You ready to die?
Yeah.
Nervyos? You got it. So karon mag-wakeboard kami dire. Unya mo balik kami sa Tagaytay kay madayo ng Sea Games. So malingot ta karon. Ay ikaw Bisaya. Bisaya di ay. Taga?
Taga Bohol.
Bohol. Wala nun.
Wala nun.
Ayos.
Tagalog na lang kayo.
Ato siya ibaligya. Alright, what's your last words?
Tell my family that I love them so much.
Diretso sa jump, ha? There we go. Oh! Woo! Yeah! Ang galing. What's your advice to Sir EJ?
Puso. More heart.
Laban.
Alright, buhay Pilipinas, baby.
Pilipinas. Oh, I thought you were going to...
Shout out Rafi. Our boy, he's in the Sea Games. Today is the final, so good luck out there.
I need to watch that, don't we?
Yeah, 2 o'clock.
Puso.
Pusong bato. Full send ahead. Hey, woo! Oh!
Puso.
Here we go. Jonas from the Jonas Brothers. Let's go. Ready to die now.
First time wakeboarding. Oh, go sir.
Oh, shoot. Woo! Round 3, third time's a charm. Let's get it.
Buhay na po yan. Don't pull.
Oh, there we go.
I don't really know how to steer, so
Last words?
what's on it? Maybe a spins.
Save the Aspins.
Spins.
He's just having a good time. I like you, Jonas.
Thank you sir.
Good guy.
Okay ma'am. Real life na. Real life.
Puso!
Ready. Puso.
If you get up here first time, diretso ka sa Sea Games, ha? Oh! Good job, babe. What happened?
Pull, so I pull. Naturally.
Gahi kagulo.
Oh.
Yan. Okay. Basta squat ka lang. Pag nila ka pigil.
It works.
Oh yeah.
Squat.
I just spit.
Make us proud.
Okay. Lean back.
Representing the Philippines.
Yeah, nice.
Okay ma'am. Kami na din.
There we go. Oh, pro di ay. Ang galing.
I thought she's first time.
No, she's a liar. Wow, nakabalik di ay na. Ang galing.
Wow! Lupit! Gamay na day!
Wow! Oh! Grabe, ang galing. Nakatuyok.
This is your first time! I thought this is your first time! Okay, joke lang po!
Joke lang.
Okay, this is my first time.
Okay.
Nice, babe.
Yeah!
Woo! That's my first time doing a corner.
How was it?
Any last words? Kuya?
Bahala na. Game na.
Game na!
Okay na rin. Ako rin.
Yahoo!
All right, we ready?
Okay, here we go!
Here we go.
Oh my gosh. Oh no.
Very good, but very bad. Yes! Full send!
I know you
Guys, checking out the vlogs right now. Jonas, kumustang vlog? Okay na? Bisaya!
Galing. Manok na pula.
Manok na pula. Sige, muna kami mo wakeboarding. Kuya, kumusta naman?
Buhay pa po ako.
Buhay pa?
Yes.
You didn't die?
Hindi.
Hindi, pero malapit.
Munti ka na po.
Puso.
Puso! Was it a great experience?
Yes. Kneeboarding.
Kneeboarding's nice? Yeah, he even went off the jump.
Yeah.
Grabe si Kuya, nag-jump siya. Bisan first time niya sa kneeboard o sa wakeboard. EJ, he got around. Whoop.
I got around.
Zoe got around.
I got around.
Yes, I had some nice crashes.
You look really
Medyo
good.
sakit man. I landed a few, and I crashed a few.
Sakit sa akong... I don't know.
Abaga.
Abaga.
Wow.
Wow.
Ayos. Sige, so karon, mukaw na kami. Pahuway sa. Balik kami dito sa Tagaytay. Yun, manong plano karon? Sige, so nakamo na kami, balik na kami dito sa hotel. Kay kapoy man, kulang oras. Niyato kami unta sa falls. Pero kulang oras. Maligo kami. And then we still have to go to the men's park. Where Kikoy will be representing the Philippines. Gikan siya sa California. But he's still representing the Philippines. Go for gold, baby. Ooh.
Sige.
Kung na kami maligo, mato kami dito sa Pikas lang. Kaya musugod ang men's finals sa skateboard park. And then unya mo drop in si Ati Inday, aka
No. Look, I'm
I'm Joey.
wearing a skirt. I can't.
yeah, you can.
No.
Sige. Pero naguba akong microphone. Actually, wala naguba. Naguba akong camera.
Why is it
Pastilan kayo. What do you mean? Oh. Putot man. Putot ka diha. So, sorry if it's windy. Wala akong microphone, external mic. Pero lisod daw ang security karong adlaw. Basin karon ang pinakadako na event sa skateboarding sa park. At least in their eyes. Because stricto na sila. So, let's head over. Grabe, tanawa sa gate karon. Wala ingani sa mga ginadlaw. Bye, kumusta? Okay lang.
Apilon ko ni Mana.
Oh, apil ka dire. Ayos, nakasolo na kami. So murag mo ni siya ang pinaka-highlight sa skateboarding para sa ila kay stricto kayo ilang security.
Very hard to get in.
Very hard. Pero
Very gahi.
gahi. Lisod. Naglisod mi magsulod. Difficult.
Gahi.
Gahi is like gahi ulo. Ayos. Te, kumusta ang duha ka ilangga dire? Grabe, represent sa Bacolod. Ayos. Woo! Nagdaok? Tapos na?
Ulit ka.
Ah, babae?
Oh, babae.
Nagdaok? Gold? Grabe.
Yana.
Si Christiana? Ah, siya nagdaok? Gold? Wow. Palagpad, wala kami naglantaw. Yeah! What's up?
Someone say I'm insane on the radio. But I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take it somewhere I don't know. And give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. While you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. While you're pandemonium. Whoa. And give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. While you're pandemonium, life is so easy. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you.
Comes Jericho, Kiko, Francisco, Junior.
So mo ni si Christiana siyang naka-gold ganina. Bisa na siya hilanat, grabe. Oh. Let's go. Ta. Hey, let's go. Savage. Sige karon, moto kami sa after party. Gusto mi diri sa dan.
Let's go, please go now.
Hey. Excuse po.
Make a wish! Hey!
Yeah. Present.
Open it! Pick it up!
That's our birthday present.
Hit the like button under and subscribe. Click the bell for
Tagantay.
Bye. You said it. Salamat sa pagtanaw. Amping utanan.
I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you.